Today's session, we're going to discuss easy file sharing with external participants, and this is for courts and agencies that are holding virtual hearings, and it also includes the ability not just to manage evidence, but also before, during, and following hearings and trials to manage opinions and collaborate on orders. We're going to start in the Outlook inbox. In today's scenario, I am a judge preparing for court in the morning. I have the ability to access my documents from my Outlook inbox related to the trials I'm preparing for. When I click Documents, it takes me directly to a folder inside of Sharepoint where I can see all of my upcoming hearings and I can review the documents inside. I also have the ability to access the documents from inside of Microsoft Teams. So here I am in my judge's team, and I can access any of these items from here. Now, many courts are at different phases of rolling out new case evidence platforms. And for example, we can access, if we were using case lines, we can incorporate that into the LawToolBox virtual court system. We can also easily access it from inside of Teams as a tab. And the same goes for the court's e-filing and DMS systems. So let's take a look at this. We're going to pop back over here to our Outlook inbox. I've received an email from one of the attorneys letting me know that there is a large file that her witness needs to share. And additionally, the attorney has introduced several last-minute key pieces of evidence. I've read the email. I want to look at these documents in the morning. I'm going to simply click Save Email, choose which file, and I'm going to select the Jana Smith case and save. The second thing I'm going to do is enable the file share with the witness. So I can just type in Jana Smith, or I can scroll down to the Jana Smith case, and I can go to see the attendees on the list, find my witness, and click File Share. So I'm going to switch hats here for a minute. I'm no longer the judge. Now I'm playing the part of the witness that just received an email the evening before from the judge, and this witness happens to be using Gmail, and here is the folder. Here's the email that they've received asking them to do a file share and upload their documents. So the first thing we do is confirm who we are by entering our email. Next is multi-factor authentication using Sharepoint, and it's instructing me to go look in my inbox. I see my code. I go back to my Sharepoint link, enter my code, and now I have access to the file for the Jana Smith case that the judge has shared with me. I take my very large documents and drag them. We can see who has uploaded documents. We're going to change hats now. So I'm no longer a Gmail witness, and I'm now going to be the judge. So we're going to go see what this looks like from inside of Microsoft Teams. So the next morning, I'm preparing and I want to go see the evidence that the witness has uploaded. So when I open my file for this case, I see several different new additions. I see the emails that were the email, and here it is along with the attachments that were uploaded. I also see a new file that has been created by the witness. It was created by me when I did the file share, and here are the documents that were uploaded the evening before. Now, just to highlight briefly, here we have a file share, and this file share is my evidence sharing location. I can access it from anywhere. This has been shared with all of the key participants so that people can follow along and have access to a shared location for this particular hearing. As the judge, I have the ability to access those documents just as easily from Outlook as I do from SharePoint and from Teams. So from Outlook, I simply choose Documents. Finally, I can also, as I'm rushing and preparing, I can view all the emails that I have saved for a case. Thank you for joining today. You can learn more about LawToolBox by going to lawtoolbox.com/virtual-hearings. This is part of our LawToolBox for Microsoft 365 virtual court session for courts and agencies, where you can leverage your investment that you already have in Office 365 and keep your data secure in your tenant. Thank you for your time today.